Hey friends, if you wish to password protect a zip file on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I'll guide you through a free software called 7-Zip. It's very popular. Search for it, go to its download page, download the 64-bit or 32-bit version, whichever type of system you have. Usually we have a 64-bit computer these days. Click on install, install it on your system. Now, let's say you wish to zip this folder with a password. So right click on it, select show more options, and then you'll find 7-Zip here. Click on this, add to archive, and you get an option to add password, and then re-enter the password and then click on OK. Now it's password protected. This one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.